you, ladies and gentlemen. And I would like you to meet,
Oh, hey, Tom.
I'm all right, Bob.
Hey, hello.
No, that's not ELO. That's not ELO. No, it's status quo.
What do you think you're playing at, are you stupid? What are you doing?
We're waiting to play. Play.
You're waiting to play? You keep your mouth shut, you long-haired pit, or you're having some. And stop plunking, stop plunking!
Stop plunking, he's plinking.
Well, what a plinker.
Exactly. Look. I can't just get calm down, right? Look. These are our special guest stars, right?
Go on, Tom.
These are special guest stars, right?
Yeah.
You got to treat them with a bit of respect.
Who? They started it. It's this.
Shut up, will you?
Drug takers.
They're not. They're not drug takers. They were special guest stars. Look, boys, I'll introduce you. Okay?
No, you won't, Tom.
Why?
You always introduce a star. Well, I'm doing it tonight.
All right. If you think you can do it, go on.
OK. Ladies and gentlemen, what's your name, lads?
Status quo.
Take it.
Tommy, every time you said that, status quo...
Control yourself.
Come down. Sorry, Tom.
Look, I'm sorry, you're right. I won't say it, right? I won't say that, right?
What's up with
What's up, are you lousy? Don't worry, I won't say...
Well, look, it's a stupid name anyway.
Oh, come on, no, it's a...
What a stupid name.
No, it's a distinguished name, innit?
How do you mean?
Well, I mean, you know what I mean? Status meaning position, quo meaning what?
I don't know.
No, I know, but I mean, quo means what, right? Right, what? That's the name, see? Status, what position do you play?
Full back, all them rugby, you say.
Why don't you just announce them?
OK, I will.
Thanks.
Which one's Boy George? Is it you?
No, none of them are Boy George, it's status quo. Hey, can't even play guitar!
I'm getting annoyed here. How many you play, then you can't... Now, look, all right. Come down.
Come down now, boys.
What songs do you know?
Yeah.
Matchstick men?
What did you say?
Matchstick men?
Hey, don't take the mickey out of Tommy. You can't help me with that. No, what other songs do you know?
What you're proposing?
Hey?
I'm proposing that I'm going to bop you on the nose. What songs do you know?
Again?
Hang on, pal. Look, now you've gone too far, right?
Hey, you're in trouble now.
I'm telling you have gone too... Hey!
It's all right.
Listen to me, son.
Mind the shirt.
Never mind the shirt. It must have cost you £5 from Millets. Now, let me tell you this, right?
Watch him
You
behind
sing-
you. Tommy's moving in. Watch him.
You're singing one song.
Go on, get him.
Not again and again.
Kill him.
Hey! One song, right?
Kill him.
Right.
Kill him, Tom.
Don't you give Cannonball a bad name.
I'm proud of you there, Tom.
You think Cannonball's a good name, then?
Leave him, Tom. Leave him. Leave him, Tom. Leave him. Tom, leave him. Tom, leave him. What are they going to sing, Tom?
What do you want to sing? What do you sing?
Marguerita time.
He's going like that. As if he's lousy, and he keeps going like that.
Maybe they are like
Tommy's begging.
Tell you what, you're singing. You announce it.
Tommy, I don't know what to say.
Well, I'll tell you.
But you'll let me do it.
Oh, you can do
Please
it.
let me.
Yes. Come
Go on then, Tom. I'll do it.
Right, go on. Right, say, ladies and gentlemen.
They can see your head getting...
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Here with their latest record.
here with their latest record,
Marguerita time.
Marguerita Time.
Status quo! I'll tell you.
Captured my heart, captured my memory, captured a time for me. I could see time for me. lost in a dream, lost in a fantasy, lost in what seems